Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about blackwhale token, get or scam. Before buying this token, do your own research and let's get started. This looks like a meme coins and based on games. As you can see here, you can play these games, you can swap this token. This is the website. As you can see here, you can buy from here. You can check the videos about this token. You can check charts and analyze. You can swap, as I say. You can become a blackwhale here. You can generate a token app from here. This is the website, guys, as I say. You can swap from here. And then if I check this, you can connect Solana wallet from here. You can install and connect, set up your wallet. The price is $0.0015. This is all-time high of this token. The bullish is 92%. The holders is 4.6 thousand members. Total supply 986 million of this token. This token listed on PumpSwap and Orca and other exchange platform. So friends, this is about community. You can check here. This is some engaging here on this community. This is good insight, and this is top 10 is 77% with this top 1 holders here. So friends, this is the holders member and this is the transfer and transaction. I see a very high transaction on last 1 minute. This is good insight. Anyway friends, before I buy this token, I give this token 6 on 10 and this is not financial advice. You can check this token on charts here. You can take you can set up your indicator here. This is the token, as you can see here. If I make this one, I see this token almost on $0.016 and dump to 0.0015. Thanks for watching this video.